The might of steel symbolizes human progress around the world. Across centuries, steel formed the basic building block for landmark bridges and monuments. With diminishing natural resources, today recycling of steel scrap assumes greater significance. Deploying specialized expertise to produce high-quality steel from either recycled scrap or sponge iron is Electrotherm India Limited. Providing global expertise through integrated solutions. Electrotherm has a unique track record spanning over 3 decades of providing innovative and technologically advanced equipment and systems for the steel and foundry industry around the world, setting up several mini steel plants on a turnkey basis in countries across Asia, Europe and Africa. As India's leading manufacturer of induction melting furnaces, ladle refining furnaces, metal refining converters and continuous casting machines, Electrotherm has expanded its portfolio to provide totally integrated solutions to customers for economical and eco-friendly operations. Electrotherm's expertise in turnkey execution of greenfield projects involves designing of civil and structural constructions, as well as engineering plant utilities such as water treatment and air pollution control systems. Magnetic system for loading of sized scrap as well as sponge iron. 2 vibratory feeders working in tandem to ensure a continuous feed of scrap into the furnace to prevent overheating of liquid metal. Electrotherm furnaces are specially designed for optimum performance with homogeneous melting. The continuous high performance of our furnaces are thanks to Electrotherm's range of versatile power supply units with wide-ranging power ratings and frequencies that suit the specific requirements of customers. For efficient handling of slag, Electrotherm has developed a robotic slag manipulator. Its robotic arm stretches into the furnace and collects the slag. It can rotate up to 270 degrees to dispose the slag into a portable trolley or vehicle. The Electrotherm slag manipulator helps to keep the work area clean without involving a crane, thus reducing overall power consumption. Preheating of the ladle is essential to maintain heat consistency of the melt. Electrotherm provides both vertical and horizontal systems for preheating of ladles. Ladles are placed on tracks and moved to the furnace for pouring of the melt. Alternatively, an EOT crane is used to transfer liquid metal from the induction furnace to the ladle furnace. The ladle is brought to the Electrotherm refining furnace, the ERF. The ERF is specially designed to dephosphorize steel as well as enhance it with the required metallurgical properties. It facilitates tapping at a lower temperature, which in turn increases production as well as refractory life of the melting equipment. It also reduces power consumption, thus reducing the cost of steel making. From melting to refining and casting, Electrotherm's continuous casting machine incorporates modular and compact billet casting technology for continuous casting of billets. With the flexibility to cast a heat size as small as 5 tons, Electrotherm's continuous casting machines are suitable for both billet and bloom sections, ranging from 100 mm by 100 mm to 400 mm by 400 mm, and are designed for reduced operating cost. The cast billets are transferred to the turnover cooling bed. For direct rolling of hot billets from caster to the rolling mill, Electrotherm has developed an inline billet heater based on DCR technology. The inline billet heater is an intelligent piece of equipment that adjusts itself to the speed of both the caster and the rolling mill and ensures highest productivity, offering consistent temperature to ensure that the rolling mill gets the billets, blooms or slabs at the right temperatures suitable for rolling, thus reducing rolling mill rejections to the bare minimum. For environment-friendly operations, Electrotherm offers complete air pollution control systems. Internal fume capture systems are installed above the induction furnaces and the Electrotherm refining furnaces. External systems include Venturi scrubbers and cassette filters that reduce emissions and maintain them within compliance levels. All equipment and systems are governed by intelligent automation customized by Electrotherm for user-friendly operations, whilst increasing efficiency with lesser power consumption. Electrotherm's commitment is firmly based on its customer-centric approach. On-time deliveries are followed by site installation and commissioning assistance. Once commissioned, Electrotherm's technical service team are always on call for troubleshooting and maintenance support round the clock and round the year.
It's a turnkey project implemented by Electrotherm India. Plant is composed of 2 induction furnaces, 1 LRF and 1 CCM, 3-strand CCM. The reason why we selected Electrotherm, we know that we made extensive investigations between suppliers of induction furnaces, which is very new for Turkey. And we saw that Electrotherm has the most proven technologies and has most proven process knowledge and after-sales service, which is too important to implement to keep sustainable production level here in Turkey. We appreciate efforts and continuous support of Electrotherm. And honestly speaking, I can recommend Electrotherm technologies to all potential customers, not only in Turkey, in Middle East and in anywhere in the world.
For Electrotherm, it's a continuous pursuit of exploring the potential of steel making and offering greater value to customers through innovative and totally integrated solutions.